था हमारे डिग्निटरीज को मंच पर बुलाने की। सबसे पहले मैं आपकी तालियों की गूंज के बीच निमंत्रण देना चाहूंगा मैराथन 2022 के सेक्रेटरी जनरल कोच हरदीप शर्मा को। कृपया मंच पर आए और अपना स्वागत करें। दोस्तों, जब आपको मंच पर आना है ना, तो हरदीप के जैसे एनर्जी ऊर्जा के साथ भागते भागते यहां पर आना है। दोस्तों, कोच हरदीप शर्मा एक हंसमुख व्यक्तित्व के मालिक तो हैं ही, साथ में मैराथन 2022 के स्पॉन्सर भी हैं और एक बेहद सफल बिजनेसमैन भी हैं। दोस्तों, अब मैं आपकी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के बीच मैराथन 2022 के चेयरपर्सन कोच रुपिंदर आहूजा को कह रहा हूं, आग्रह कर रहा हूं कि आप आए और मंच पर कृपा कहना चाहता हूं कि कोच रुपिंदर आहूजा एक मल्टी डायमेंशनल पर्सनालिटी तो है ही, साथ ही वो फूड प्रोसेसिंग के एक सफल बिजनेसमैन भी है। वो आ रहे हैं, जब तक मैं आग्रह कर रहा हूं। दोस्तों, अब आपकी जोरदार तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के बीच आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं सीएलसी की नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट कोच विमला गुगलानी को। दोस्तों, कोच विमला गुगलानी 3 दशकों से अधिक एक उत्कृष्ट टीचर रही हैं। आप एक मशहूर लेखिका हैं जिनकी लेखनी से अनेक पुस्तकें, लेख, कविताएं और कहानियां लगातार छपती चली आ रही हैं। She is a literary genius truly. Can we celebrate once again for our Now, ladies and gentlemen, amongst your thundering applause, it is my proud privilege to invite our chief guest, a leader of leaders, a great son of Mother India, a veteran and one and only General I.P. Singh, VSM. Friends, I have a brief about our chief guest, General I.P. Singh, VSM. Friends, he has a vast 38 years of illustrious career in Indian Army. He is a pass out of NDA and he has served in all the ranks, right from second lieutenant to the highest rank of general. Friend, he has commanded a tank regiment in J&K. He is a tank specialist. He was also colonel operations during Operation Parakram. He has commanded rapid divisions in Rajasthan sector. He has vast operational insurgency LOC experience, and he has served in nearly all the insurgency areas of the country, including IPKF, International Peacekeeping Force operations in Sri Lanka. He has been cited for various gallantry awards, including Vishisht Seva Medal. Can we celebrate for him? He is a truly multi-dimensional personality. He is not only an army veteran, but he is an outstanding sportsman, an academician, and on top of it, a very talented artist also. He retired as the founder director of My Bhago Armed Forces Preparatory Institute of Girls in Mohali. Friends, this is a unique institution in which the girls from the state of Punjab are taken and trained to become the commissioned officers in the defense forces, in the Indian Defense Forces, while they are doing their graduation from MCM DAV College. Friends, he is a strategist and a thinker, an outstanding thinker. And while he was in the defense forces, he was part of the Indian Army's think tank. A big achievement, no doubt about it.
Yes.
Friends, his academic qualifications are phenomenal. In short, I would like to tell you that he is MA in English literature, he is MSc in defense and strategic ties, he is also an industrial engineer and an MBA on top of it. Friends, married happily to Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur, who herself is a teacher. Jaspreet Kaur, I'm sorry. Mrs. Jaspreet Kaur. They have got two lovely children, a daughter and a son, very happily married and beautifully settled in